guys, hi, it's Linda, the witch today. I have taken Miss Cochran's spot and I need your help today. So today we will learn about the letter D. We will make this sound. I will help you sort objects and then you will draw me a picture of something that starts with the letter D. Are you ready to get started? All right. This is our calendar. I see that it is October. My favorite is Halloween. Halloween is this day right here. Let's figure out what day it is. Are you ready to get started? All right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Monday. In your little witch voice, say Monday. Good job, my little witches. Can you say today is Tuesday? Today is Tuesday. If today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday already. Maybe your teacher will come back tomorrow. Maybe Miss Cochran will be here. Today is Tuesday. Let's figure out what day this is right here. We're going to count. Can you count like a little witch? All right, I'll get my fingers ready. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Wow. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4 more days until Halloween. All right, it's the 27th, and I know after that pumpkin is a leaf, and then it's a pumpkin again. I am creating an A-B pattern. Oh, not a leaf, a pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. All right, what's the weather? What's the weather? Witches do not like the rain. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell me the weather, please. All right, we'll add another one to our graph. Today is Tuesday. The weather is, oh, it is that day today. Where is the frog? I'm always looking for frogs for my cauldron. Say, the frog is up. The frog is under the table. So we have been talking, let's review our shapes. Triangle, good. Triangle has 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. Nice, my friends. A triangle does have 3 sides. This is a circle. Make a circle. This is a rectangle. Good. Witches love rectangles. We love houses. This is a square. Good. Square has 4 sides. All the sides are the same length. Let's review our letters. Some that we have learned before we learn about the letter D. This is the letter O. Good. Can you say A, 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 A? This is the letter A. Apple. I love apples too. Let's see. This is the letter B. B, 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 B. B is for my friend the bat. This is the letter M. Muffin begins with the letter M. Good. Muffin. V. We talked about V. V is get on that motorcycle, pretend, and that's the sound V makes. Today, my friends, we're going to talk about the letter D. D is after the letter C. A, B, C, D. D is for duck, dinosaur, diamond, dig, dice, dime, and dog. When I think of D, I think of this sound, D, D, D. I forgot my dime in the car. I can go, D, D, D. Oh no, I forgot it. Think of D, D, D. All right, I have some objects for you. Tell me if these objects begin with the letter D. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Remember, D goes D, D, D. Duck. It does begin with a D, D, duck. It's the first sound we hear on our slide. Or you could use your witch's broomstick. If this is the top of the broomstick, you could go D, D, duck. And it is a D up there. But I'll use my broomstick. Dice. D, D, dice. Do you hear a D? It is. Good job. Thumbs up. Dice and duck begin with the same sound. How about a cupcake? Cupcake. Does it begin with a D? Thumbs down. Cupcake does not begin with the D sound. How about mouse? Make it go down that witch's broomstick. Mouse. Mouse. Does it make the D sound? Thumbs down. I'm going to leave that one here. How about a dog? D, D, dog. Dog. Did you hear the D? I did too. Give me a thumbs up. Dog, dice, duck. Have the same beginning sound. They start with the D. I have 2 more left. Helicopter. Make it go down that witch's broomstick. Helicopter. Ooh, up here, did I hear a D or a H? I heard a H. Keep that one back. All right, my last one. Let's see if I can add it to my cauldron. Dinosaur. Make it go down the witch's broomstick. D, D, dinosaur. Did you hear it? D. Dinosaur. It was at the beginning of the word. I heard it. D, D, dinosaur. Oh, my pretties. I have the letter D song for you. I want you to listen to that letter D sound and see if there's anything you hear that begins with the D. D, D, D. D is a letter in the alphabet. It comes after C and before E. Duck, dinosaur, diamond, dig, dice, dime, and dog. And then afterwards you can draw me a picture of something that starts with a D. See you later. Bye.